I'm Brittany from WTI, and I'm here today to show you Hismile's fun flavor of coconut whipped toothpaste. If you're getting tired of the same old mint toothpaste, this is an amazing alternative. It uses an airless pump to deliver the toothpaste to your brush without waste and delivers a pea-sized amount at a time, which is all you need. It's insane how much this toothpaste tastes like a pina colada, but without the calories. This toothpaste is sugar-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and has fluoride in it to help prevent cavities. The texture is like a gel, but not gritty, and it makes my mouth feel so fresh and a little bit tingly in the sense where you know it's killing the bacteria. I've been in the dental field for over 16 years now, so you can imagine how many toothpaste flavors and brands I've tried, but I can tell you confidently that this is my favorite toothpaste by far. I really love this fun alternative to regular toothpaste, but that's just my point of view.